Hi guys, my name is Deepak and welcome you in the Partner series. So today's special episode, I'm going to talk to you about one of the classic drink which is very famous worldwide, also known as one of the Japanese way of drinking. Now, let's say that I want to do this particular shoot. If you remember, I told you last time that I will do a special episode about a particular drink. And here I'm talking about the highballs. So today I have Mr. Sanket Dalvi with me
Hi guys.
from Dr. Mixology. Dr. Mixology is a bar consultancy and the bar service providing company in Thailand, and his company is very well known. And what I feel that his company do a lot of highballs in all the gigs. So let's hear from his side. Hi Sanket.
Hi guys, how are you?
So do you want to say something about you and your company?
Yeah, definitely. Guys, my name is Sanket. I am from Thailand, basically from Mumbai. But I live in Thailand now. I have opened this company called Dr. Mixology from last 4.5 years, doing well in the business. Let me tell you more about my company. My company is basically about bar consultancy, and we do a lot of menu designing. We do a lot of bar programming, interiors, everything, whatever like you can see in the bar, we can do all that kind of stuff. Yeah.
Okay, so good. Sanket, as I said that you know everything, your company is very good in the highball. So can you tell me something about highballs? Our viewers also know about this
Sure,
particular drink.
sure. Basically, so let me just tell you a little bit about highball. Just let's start from the history. So what does highball means? Highball means basically high priest of tall drinks.
Because we serve in the highball, you mean, right?
Definitely. So this cocktail was basically invented by a famous bartender from America, Patrick, in 1949.
Okay. So what the basically mixture of highball?
In back 1890, basically the highball, there was no drink name called as highball, but it was basically mixture of spirit, soda, ice and water.
Okay, cool, nice.
So people also said Patrick, he was influenced by English people because they used to drink a lot of brandy and sodas. Basically highball was created because they wanted to enjoy this drink. So basically the Japanese culture, the drinking culture, they like to drink the alcohol with the food. So basically when you drink something, if you drink whiskey, it is like straight up, you cannot enjoy like good feeling of the whiskey. So basically they started to add water or soda to it to dilute, and they won't lose any flavor of the alcohol.
So like you mean, so you say the Japanese, this all started because the Japanese want to enjoy the whiskey as a long drink.
Exactly.
And okay, like what if I say the rum and coke, so it's a highball?
Yeah, definitely.
If I say vodka tonic or vodka water, it's a highball.
Exactly.
It's water. It's
Exactly.
a highball.
Yes.
But it's a variation in the highball.
Exactly. A Japanese highball, it came and it became famous after Second World War. Why it became famous? Because people, they wanted some drink to enjoy it more, which is like in cheaper way, cheaper in money.
Right? Nice. So Sanket, like thanks for all this introduction and details about the highball. So now I have some questions for you.
Yeah.
So which will also allow our viewer to get more details
Sure,
from you
sure.
about the
Yeah.
drinks and about your work. So let's start. I have some questions for Sanket which I'm going to ask. So like asking and you can the Q&A round. So Sanket, can you please tell us something about your experience and journey till now?
Sure, definitely. I would like to tell all my viewers like how I started, what I did. So basically I started my career of bartending in 2005. So it's been about like 15 years right now. Actually I took participation in Bacardi competition 2008, which happened in India. So after that I went on the cruise liners. I was working for 4 years. It was like Italian cruise liners. When I finished my cruising job, I came to Thailand. I opened my bar consultancy company. So currently I'm working on it, and we are doing like many gigs in Thailand.
So my question number 2 is, what is your opinion about highball?
So my opinion basically is highball you can make very fast in the bar. It's like most convenient drink to make it, and it's like more refreshing. People, they enjoy it also. Yeah.
So my third question for you is, compare between highball and the other cocktails. What's your opinion?
I think highball and cocktail, if you compare, so cocktail they have like more than 2 or 3 ingredients. But highball basically is a family of mixed drink.
So you can say it's easy to enjoy for a long time. You can
Yes.
enjoy many highball in one night.
Yes.
Is what you-
Yes, exactly.
Okay. My next question about your field. So what the best serving highball in your field?
So basically we serve lot of highballs, but I can tell you like maximum highballs what we have served till now is whiskey soda and vodka soda. People they drink a lot.
My next question is about your personal choice. What is your favorite highball?
My favorite is basically if you ask me, I prefer to drink vodka. So always I go for vodka soda with lime, splash of lime, because it's like for me it's like the best refreshing drink which you can ever drink.
So can we try this one today?
100%.
This is something about the current situation. So how much effect your field having due to this COVID-19?
Oh, COVID, basically I can tell you because of the COVID-19 we are facing a lot of problem. Not only we, like entire industry, entire hospitality, tourism, everybody is facing a lot of problems. So I hope this COVID like goes as soon as possible.
We hope, or we all
Yeah.
think you're safe. Okay, now what is your feeling when the life will go normal for everyone?
See this question, even you ask me now, I cannot answer, nobody can answer. So for me, if you ask me this question, I will say it should go as soon as possible, like I told you earlier.
Yeah, like now Sanket, this question is something to giving guidance. So can you give some suggestion to the young bartender who coming in this field?
Guys, when you are in the bar, this is my personal opinion. When you go in the bar, most important thing I can tell you is hygiene of yourself. First thing, if you maintain good hygiene, there will be no problem at all. Next, you have to be professional. Your attitude should be good. Your basic knowledge, you have to take care of this also. So this I can tell.
My last question for this round, I just want to ask anything you want to share more to everyone, to our viewers.
Yeah, as everybody is having this problem, so I'll tell you guys, please be home, please be safe, keep faith in yourself and keep faith in your family, keep motivating others and keep motivating yourself. Thank you.
So this is all about what Sanket sharing with us is you can say the details about the highball. Now we're going to do some practical, boozy practical. Yes.
Hi guys, I'm here again to make today whiskey highball. So basically in whiskey highball we're going to use whiskey and French sparkling water which is called Perrier. So let's go with this first.
The drink looks more beautiful.
So basically I'm using clear ice cube in it because when you use clear ice cube, first thing it melts very slow and the appearance of the drink is like very good. So let's start with 45 ml of whiskey. Usually you can make small or big drink, depends like what is your customer is looking for, your guest looking for. So basically I'm using here 45 ml of whiskey in this. There you go. So as I said, French sparkling water Perrier I'm going to use inside this. There you go. Gentle stir. So, whiskey highball is ready. You can have it as usual with your smile. Cheers. So, our second cocktail for today is vodka highball. So basically, vodka highball, I choose this drink because this is like most famous and fashionable and in the drink which is like people they like a lot, like trendy drink we can say in many places. So this is personal my favorite also, so just wanted to share you the recipe of it. It is basically nothing but just vodka with tonic water or either soda water. You can use whatever you like. So let's start with the ice first. Yeah, so again I'm using same crystal clear ice in which the drink will be looking fabulous with the garnish. Let's start with 45 ml of vodka because I prefer all the straight drinks, highball drinks should be 45 ml. You can make it 30 ml as well, but I prefer to put 45 ml of vodka. So I'm using tonic water in this. So let's add some tonic. Some lemon slices. Vodka highball is ready. Smile and drink.
Thank you, Sangeet, for your
Welcome.
your time and giving us all the information about the highball, vodka tonic.
There you go. Cheers.
Cheers, and
It's good.
it is smooth. Actually,
Let
smooth,
me
yeah.
try also. Oh wow.
So before we end up our today's episode, let's do a quick rapid fire. So Sanket, I'm going to ask you 5 questions and you need to answer without thinking.
Okay, sure. Yep.
Are you ready, guys? So highball or beer?
Beer.
Rum highball or whiskey highball?
Whiskey highball.
Old Monk or Bacardi?
Old Monk.
Bangkok or Mumbai?
Mumbai.
If you need to go somewhere out, where you will go?
Switzerland.
Beautiful. So this is what his answer, and I'm not sure how many of you already tried Old Monk apart from Bacardi. Just try it and put your comment in box below. And if you want to know more about Sanket and his company, just go down in the descriptions and you get the link which is going to lead you towards his company's website, and you can contact him direct over there. Thanks Sanket for your
Thank you so much.
time.
Thank you so much.
And guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel, which is going to motivate me to do some more video interesting sharing detail with you, and see you in the next episode of Bartender series. Thank you.